Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your speaker JBL Boombox 4. To perform the soft reset, we should turn off the speaker and then turn on it. So, at the top of the speaker we have power button. You need to single press the power button to turn off your speaker. We just did it, and the speaker disconnected from the phone. To reconnect it, we need to turn on the speaker, so press one time at the power button again. We just turn on it, and the speaker should reconnect to your phone. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect to your phone automatically. So maybe you need to go to the settings if you haven't connection, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and tap at your speaker as a device list, and you will reconnect it. And with this method you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!